Hello, this is the 31st of December today. This is the end of 2021. So I gonna decide being here description about the Constitution of India. So you people also read and listen about the Constitution, the theory of the Constitution, and also the blend of rigidity, the flexibility, everything. So this Constitution, if ongoing in previous time, like a Atriya Brahman, like a Panini, Ashtadhyaya of Panini, like a Arthashastra of Kautilya, and also Mahabharata epic, inscription of Ashoka, and also the prominent scholar like a Jainism and Buddhism. So on that time, on Vedic time, they people and that epic also description about the sovereignty of India, and that is known as the Sangha or Ganarajya. So our constitution drawn from various sources, it may be like a public implementation, execution, it may be legislation, it may be judicature, but the source of energy in all the institution is the only our constitution. All the source of energy is only one book. So if you talk about the one book, this is not a book of the constitution, this is the ongoing daily dynamic person. So today we have some focus on the Constitution of India. This Constitution is full of brutiness, full of rigidity, the blend of flexibility, drawn from various sources, bicameral legislation, and maintains sovereignty between judiciary, legislation, executive, and all the things which seen in our parliamentary system. This is taken from like a Irish Constitution, Soviet Union, USA, Australian country, Weimar Constitution in the abolition of fundamental right on time of emergency. So as like a directive principle, the most beautiness of the our constitution is the directive principle of state policy. Everything which is not enforceable by the constitution, not enforceable by the judiciary, is provided the basic need and basic necessity by the Constitution of India, that say that every citizen, it may be man or woman, or adequately the eligible of life of means and livelihood. So this is the beautiness of the constitution. You take example of emergency, you take example of impeachment like a USA, like a abolition or suspension of the jurisdiction and judges of the High Court and Supreme Court also. The Vice President of India, the President of India, the impeachment process, this is the beautiness. This is taken from the USA, some Soviet Union sources, like a fundamental duties also. So everything which taken, some people uses the very heavy word like our constitution is full of too much, this is the one of the lengthiest constitution, this is the full of too many sources drawn from various sources. But beautiness of the constitution is that they provide every people everything and all the basic needs which necessity for human being or individual. So that's all about it. Our constitution is the full of dynamism, full of beautiness, full of flexible, full of rigidity. The source of energy of Republic of India, Federation of India, and the Union of India is only in one book, that is our constitution. So I pray of this holy book, which started from like a regulating act, like a Fits India Act, drawn from Government of India Act of 1935, 1909, 19. So this all the process is full of too much discussion, too much debate. So that's all about it. Have a good day, have a enjoy, and celebrate the new year of 2022. Hats off. I bow my head to the Constitution. Have a good day.